Hello everyone, this is Calgary with Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download DJI Terra. So to begin, on whatever web browser you choose, type in DJI Terra download. You can see the first link here, downloads-DJI Terra, you can click on that. And then the first option, the Windows version, is the one I'm using. This is a rather large file, so it might take a while to download. I'm just going to go ahead and skip ahead to when it's downloaded with some movie magic. You can see once it's downloaded, you want to press on it and open the file. When it does this, it opens up, it's asking you yes or no. You can select yes. The recording doesn't show this though. Once you've selected yes, a new window pops up asking you to select the setup language. And I'm just going to follow along with the wizard. I selected to automatically start the DJI Terra engine when it's done downloading. Once it's done installing, this window will come up. I'm going to make sure the launch DJI Terra is checked and press finish. Make sure you allow access to this app from Windows. And just like that, it's all downloaded and ready to go. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit our website at bench-mark.ca. Thank you.